Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah will be fine. हमने पिछले लेक्चर में और वाफलिक एसिड डिस्कस किया था, तो आज इस लेक्चर में हम फिनोल डिस्कस करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले फिनोल की डेफिनेशन: aromatic compounds which contain one or more hydroxyl groups directly attached with carbon of benzene ring are called phenol. Phenols are usually named by derivatives of the parent phenol. You can see the structure of phenol. This is the benzene nucleus. Hydroxyl group is directly attached to the aromatic ring, and this structure is called phenol. Next हम डिस्कस करेंगे मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फिनोल। तो डिफरेंट मेथड्स के जरिए हम फिनोल की प्रिपरेशन करते हैं। फर्स्ट मेथड है फ्रॉम सोडियम बेंजीन सल्फोनेट। बेंजीन sulfonic acid, when treated with sodium hydroxide, gives its sodium salt, sodium benzene sulfonate. This sodium benzene sulfonate is when fused with sodium hydroxide at temperature between 570 to 620 Kelvin, gives sodium phenoxide, which on hydrolysis with dilute mineral acid gives phenol. And you can see this slide, all these are the reactions. First, benzene sulfonic acid. This benzene sulfonic acid is heated with sodium hydroxide, gives it sodium salt, sodium benzene sulfonate. This is the structure of sodium benzene sulfonate. Sodium benzene sulfonate मिलेगा plus water molecule H2O. This when fused with this sodium benzene sulfonate is when fused with sodium phenoxide with sodium hydroxide, it will form sodium phenoxide. This is the structure of sodium phenoxide, which on hydrolysis with dilute mineral acid gives phenol. तो इससे फिनोल बनेगा प्लस NaCl, यानी इसका हम रिएक्शन दिखाएंगे तो HCl के साथ, तो एक तो फिनोल बनेगा, दूसरा NaCl। सेकंड मेथड for the preparation of phenol is from benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride is formed by treating aniline with nitrous acid NaNO2 plus HCl. Mixture of NaNO2 plus HCl, यानी NaNO2 plus HCl, तो इससे नाइट्रिक एसिड बनेगा NaNO2 plus H2O. On warming an aqueous solution of benzene diazonium chloride, it is hydrolyzed to form phenol. Aniline, this is primary aromatic amine. Aniline react with nitrous acid NaNO2 plus HCl, ये बनाएगा बेंजीन डायजोनियम क्लोराइड, बेंजीन के साथ N2Cl नेगेटिव, बेंजीन डायजोनियम क्लोराइड. This benzene diazonium chloride on warming an aqueous solution of benzene diazonium chloride, it is hydrolyzed to form phenol plus nitrogen gas N2 is placed in the form of gas plus HCl, sodium hydrochloric acid. This is the second method for the preparation of phenol, that is from benzene diazonium chloride. Third method for the preparation of phenol is from chlorobenzene, and that process is also known as Dawes process. Chlorobenzene on heating with 10% aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide at about 623 Kelvin under 200 atmospheric pressure in the presence of copper salt catalyst sodium phenoxide is formed. This on acidification with dilute HCl undergoes hydrolysis to give phenol. The method is called Dawes process. And you can see the reactions. This is chlorobenzene. Chlorine is attached to the benzene ring. Chlorobenzene on heating with 10% aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide at about 623 Kelvin, 200 atmospheric pressure. In the presence of copper salt, it will form sodium phenoxide, and sodium phenoxide is formed ONE. बंजीन रिंग के साथ this on acidification, this sodium phenoxide on acidification with dilute HCl undergoes hydrolysis to give phenol. This method is called Dawes process. ये फर्दर HCl के साथ उससे क्या बनेगा, फिनोल बनेगा प्लस NaCl on acidification with dilute HCl. It will give phenol plus NaCl, and this process is called Dawes process. Fourth method for preparation of phenol is cumene process. This involves air oxidation of cumene. Cumene is also called isopropyl benzene, followed by treatment with dilute hydrochloric acid. The above cumene process accounts for 80% of the total world production of phenol. The success of this method is due to the availability of benzene and propene from petroleum and to the formation of acetone, a valuable byproduct. You can see the reactions. This is benzene. Benzene reacts with propene in the presence of this H3PO4, phosphoric acid, and this temperature at 250 degrees centigrade temperature. Cumene is also called isopropyl benzene. Cumene is formed, and this cumene on air oxidation at this temperature range, it will form cumene hydroperoxide. In the second step, this cumene hydroperoxide is hydrolyzed. Phenol is formed plus acetone is formed, and this acetone is formed as a byproduct. Next हम डिस्कस करते हैं फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. फिनोल की क्या फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज हैं? फिनोल इज कलरलेस, हाइग्रोस्कोपिक, मॉइस्चर को एब्जॉर्ब करता है, क्रिस्टलाइन है, क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड है. एक एमॉर्फस में होते हैं क्रिस्टलाइन, इसके क्रिस्टल्स हुए. So phenol is a colorless, hygroscopic, crystalline solid. Its melting point is 42 degrees centigrade and boiling point is 182 degrees centigrade. Liquid form of phenol containing about 5% water is known as carbolic acid. And this point is also very important for objective point of view. 5% water. Phenol containing about 5% water. 5% means 5 gram in 100 ml. Below 65.8 degrees centigrade, phenol is only partially miscible with water, but above this temperature, it is miscible in all proportions. It is freely soluble in ethanol. Ethanol is an organic solvent and is also called ethyl alcohol and other organic solvents. It turns pink on exposure to air and light. Phenol is a poison when taken orally and produces painful blister in contact with skin. So हम phenol को orally नहीं ले सकते because it is a poison when taken orally and produces painful blisters. Blisters मतलब छाले in contact with skin. And next is the chemical properties of phenol. In chemical properties, example number one, reaction with bromine water. If bromine water is added to a solution of phenol in water, the bromine water is decolorized and a white precipitate is formed which smells of antiseptic. The precipitate is 2,4,6-tribromophenol. You can see the reaction. This is phenol react with 3Br2. It will give 2,4,6-tribromophenol. This is at 2 position, this is at 4 position, and this is at 6 position. Numbering start from that side where hydroxyl group is present. 2, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2,4,6-tribromophenol plus 3 HBr. Next example, example number 2, chemical properties. Reaction of phenol with nitric acid. With dilute nitric acid, phenol reacts with dilute nitric acid at room temperature to give a mixture of 2 nitrophenol and 4 nitrophenol. So 2 nitrophenol is also called orthonitrophenol and 4 nitrophenol is also called para-nitrophenol. This is phenol in nitration at room temperature, orthonitrophenol at 2 position, and para-nitrophenol nitrophenol at 4 position. Reaction with formaldehyde. फिनोल का रिएक्शन फॉर्मल्डिहाइड के साथ, ये आप लोगों ने इंटर में भी पढ़ा होगा. फिनोल जब रिएक्ट करता है फॉर्मल्डिहाइड के साथ, फिनोल रिएक्ट्स विद फॉर्मल्डिहाइड टू गिव ऑर्थो एंड पैरा हाइड्रोक्सी derivative. ऑर्थो हाइड्रोक्सीफिनोल एंड पैरा हाइड्रोक्सी ऑर्थो हाइड्रोक्सी बेंजाइल अल्कोहल एंड पैरा हाइड्रोक्सी बेंजाइल अल्कोहल. ऑर्थो बेंजाइल अल्कोहल एंड पैरा बेंजाइल अल्कोहल. तो इस तरह बैकलाइट भी इससे बनता है. बैकलाइट क्या है? बैकलाइट इज द पॉलीमर ऑफ फिनोल एंड फॉर्मल्डिहाइड. तो reaction with formaldehyde, phenolic resins accounts for a large production of phenol production under the oxidative backlight. A phenol formaldehyde resin was one of the earliest plastic invented by American industrial chemist. This is the name of scientist Leo Baekeland. Phenol formaldehyde resins are inexpensive, heat resistant and waterproof. Though somewhat brittle, the polymerization of phenol with formaldehyde involves electrophilic aromatic substitution at ortho and para positions of phenol, followed by cross-linking of the polymeric chains. You can see the reaction. This is phenol. Phenol reacts with formaldehyde. So it will form orthobenzyl alcohol and parabenzyl alcohol. Artho is shown, para is also formed. यहाँ हमने सिर्फ आर्थ पोजीशन शो की है. This is arthobenzyl alcohol. This is benzyl. ये मैं आपको पहले बता चुका हूँ कि टोलीन, टोलीन यानी मिथाइल बेंजीन, उसमें से अगर हम एक हाइड्रोजन एटम रिमूव करेंगे तो वो क्या बनेगा स्ट्रक्चर, तो बेंजीन रिंग के साथ क्या बनेगा CH2 होगा. अब जब टोलीन टोल्वीन नहीं रहेगा जी, बल्कि क्या बन गया बेंजाइल, इसके अंदर हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप लगे तो ये बेंजाइल अल्कोहल बन गया बेंजाइल. क्योंकि ये आर्थो पोजीशन है, आर्थो पोजीशन के ऊपर लगा हुआ है तो इसलिए आर्थो बेंजाइल अल्कोहल. यानी फिनोल जब रिएक्ट करेगा फॉर्मल्डिहाइड के साथ तो ये क्या बनेगा आर्थो बेंजाइल अल्कोहल एंड पैरा बेंजाइल अल्कोहल. अगर इसकी पॉलीमराइजेशन रिएक्शन हो, यानी when phenol is treated with an alkaline solution of formaldehyde, a mixture of artho and para-hydroxybenzyl alcohol is formed. If the reaction is carried out at high temperature in excess of formaldehyde, hard thermostatic plastic backlight is formed. तो यानी चेन पॉलीमराइजेशन होगी इसकी. बैकलाइट इज अ पॉलीमर ऑफ फिनोल एंड फॉर्मल्डिहाइड. तो ये फर्दर रिएक्शन जो होगा ये पूरा चेन रिएक्शन होगा, तो इसका क्या बनेगा बैकलाइट होगा. और बैकलाइट के यूज मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ. साल्ट फॉर्मेशन, नेक्स्ट केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी इज द साल्ट फॉर्मेशन. अब फिनोल जब रिएक्ट करेगा अल्कलीज के साथ to form salts, like this is phenol. Phenol react with base, and here base is sodium hydroxide, so it will form sodium phenoxide plus water molecule. Ester formation, देखिए ये जब फिनोल रिएक्ट करेगा एसिटाइल क्लोराइड के साथ, फिनोल रिएक्ट्स विद एसिटाइल क्लोराइड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ बेस टू फॉर्म एस्टर. अब मसलन यहाँ ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है, दिस इज एसिटाइल क्लोराइड CH3 डबल बॉन्ड ऑफ Cl. जब ये रिएक्ट करेगा फिनोल के साथ, यहाँ हमारे पास क्या बनेगा एस्टर बनेगा प्लस HCl हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, एंड दिस इज एन एस्टर, and this ester is called phenyl acetate. The name of the ester is phenyl acetate. Reaction of phenol with zinc. Phenol जब react करेगा zinc के साथ, some heat is required. Benzene plus zinc oxide. Test for phenols. फिनोल की आइडेंटिफिकेशन टेस्ट, द रिएक्शन विद आयरन क्लोराइड सॉल्यूशन. आयरन थर्ड फेरिक, एक होता है फेरस आयन, एक होता है फेरक. Fe के ऊपर पॉजिटिव 3 चार्ज. तो फेरिक क्लोराइड का फार्मूला है FeCl3. द रिएक्शन विद फेरिक क्लोराइड सॉल्यूशन. आयरन थर्ड क्लोराइड इज आल्सो नोन एज फेरिक क्लोराइड. Iron third ion forms strongly colored complexes with several organic compounds including phenol. The color of the complexes vary from compound to compound. The reaction with iron third chloride solution can be used as a test for phenol. If you add a crystal of phenol to iron chloride solution, you get an intense violet purple solution. So this is the test for phenol, identification test for phenol. Now uses of phenol. Phenol के क्या क्या uses हैं? Multiple uses हैं phenol. अब ये एक structure है, this is bisphenol, and this structure you can see this is bisphenol. And what are the uses of this bisphenol? This is also a phenol used to produce epoxy resins or paints, coatings and moldings, and in polycarbonate plastics. Alkyl phenols, these compounds are used in the manufacturing of surfactants, detergents and emulsifiers, and also in insecticide and plastic production. क्लोरोफिनोल। क्लोरोफिनोल जो है, this is used in medical antiseptic and bactericides such as TCP, trichlorophidol, and Dettol. Also used in fungicides for timber preservation and as additives to inhibit bacterial growth in many products used to manufacture a range of pesticides. क्लोरोफिनोल को हम यूज करते हैं, डिफरेंट यूजेस हैं एज एंटीसेप्टिक्स, बैक्टीरिसाइड्स, फॉर एग्जांपल टीसीपी एंड डिटोल। इसके अलावा इसको हम एज ए फंगिसाइड्स फॉर टिम्बर प्रिजर्वेशन। तो इसके अलावा ये माइक्रोबियल ग्रोथ को भी इनहिबिट करता है इन मैनी प्रोडक्ट्स। तो these are the uses of chlorophenol. Salicylic acid, you can see this is the structure of salicylic acid. तो फिनोल जो है, इसको हम मेडिसिन यानी फिनोल इज यूज्ड एज अ स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल फॉर ड्रग्स सच एज एस्पिरिन है, this is used in the production of aspirin and other pharmaceuticals. This is structure of salicylic acid, you can see. Salicylic acid is also called orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Salicylic acid is also called orthohydroxybenzoic acid because hydroxyl group is at 4th position. This is all about phenol, and next video I will discuss my next topic, that is ester, and then ether, and then my last chapter, that is isomerism. Okay, thank you so much.